The Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC River State Command, has arrested 12 suspects for illegal involvement in vandalism, oil theft and illegal dealings in petroleum products. Speaking during the parade of the suspects at the NSCDC Command in Port Harcourt, the Commandant, Basil Igwebweze, said the fight against illegal oil bunkering activities in River State was not negotiable. Basil warned economic saboteurs to either desist from such heinous act or face the full wrath of the law. He said as the Commandant of the NSCDC River State Command, he was determined to fight the menace of illegal oil bunkering activities, which over time has led to environmental degradation, pollution of land, aquatic life and sustained health hazards. He hinted that the Commandant General, Dr. Ahmed Audi, deployed him to the state to achieve the mandate of the NSCDC, which involves safeguarding all critical national assets and infrastructure and ensuring operators of unregistered private guard companies do proper registration or risk being shut down. Ensure that the good people of River State sleep with their two eyes closed without fear of intimidation or danger. Basil said with renewed vigor, the Command Anti-Vandal Land Patrol arrested 12 suspects from different locations across the state for their involvement in oil theft, vandalism, and illegal dealings in petroleum products. At the C4I checkpoint, Eneka Igorota Road, in Obiakpo local government area, the NSCDC arrested 3 suspects, namely Chijoke Valida, 40, Ikunze Uzodimma, 35, and Emmanuel Tamunokuro, 35, with a black Toyota Camry with Lagos registration FKJ 451FZ laden with 750 liters, a dark green Toyota Avalon with number plate Rivers KRK 863AA laden with 2,500 liters, and a black Toyota Camry Lagos SMK 84CA conveying 2,700 liters of automotive gas oil AGO respectively. Illegal oil activities. A grey Toyota Camry Lagos FKJ 716BG laden with 2,000 liters of AGO concealed in sacks, while the suspects took to their heels upon sighting the men of NSCDC. Meanwhile, the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps Commandant Basil Igwebweze affirmed that the command's readiness to sustain the existing synergy among the security agencies in the fight against oil theft and vandalism of oil pipelines in River State. He warned the anti-vandal marine personnel to desist from any action that could smear the image of the NSCDC, noting that the Commandant General is always ready to motivate and reward diligent and dedicated officers.
In the course of my assignment so far, in the prosecution of the Corps' mandate of combating pipeline vandalism and all the other aspects that threaten the critical national assets of the country, the Corps in River State Command has made the following progress. 12 suspects have been arrested from different locations across the state and are hereby paraded for their involvement in pipeline vandalism, illegal dealing in petroleum products, and allied matters. The Command's anti-vandal unit has impounded so far 5 vehicles, a bus with 36,950 liters of AGO and 51,225 liters of crude oil. This is in affirmation of the fact that there has been a change of pattern in the state and it is no longer business as usual. Henceforth, every person or any criminal involved in anything that threatens the economic reality of the country by way of vandalism of any critical national asset will be made to bear the brunt of the law. Any personnel caught in aiding and abetting oil thieves or illegality in the waters would be dealt with according to extant regulations and law. The Command will continue to synergize with relevant state agencies to combat oil theft in River State particularly. Investigations are ongoing and into the cases of the arrest made, and you will be appropriately briefed or informed on the status of the cases in due course. All vandals or thieves are either to stop the activities or relocate as a devil's alternative to other areas where their activities can be welcomed. But in Rivers State, it is of a truth and an assurance that the activities are no longer welcomed and will not relent in fighting them and bringing them to book.